Got the wheel arch protection kit in this box here. Just bought it out of parts, and I'm gonna take it over to Extreme. We're gonna unwrap this and just see what it looks like to add it to this X Dynamic Defender. Right here. Hey guys, Steven Hill here at Jaguar Land Rover West Houston. I've actually got the wheel arch protection kit in this box here. Just got it from my parts department. Just wanted to show you the unboxing, what's in there, and what it might look like on this Defender X Dynamic right here behind me. Check it out. All right, so here's our shipping labels. Official UK sticker right here. I'm gonna try to unwrap this while I'm videoing, so.
Yeah, I know enough to go faster. It's more fun. Alright. Got all the tape off. Let's open up the box.
Alright, so I'm here with Austin at Extreme Off-Road and Performance. This is the grand opening of the wheel arch protection kit. So it looks like there's 4 of them. Go ahead, Austin. I'm just going to film what you're doing here. It should be labeled, you know, front, left, and all that fun stuff.
They're black.
Yeah.
They're just a black plastic.
You want to hold one up there, see kind of what it looks like? I'll show Edward. So this is the right rear. Kind of same thing though. Kind of comes down. Does that just overlay on top of the black? Got it in the right place now. So what we figured out is this goes on the back here. There's Mike. And then it kind of goes on the inside of the door. And then when you close the door, the protection's in there, but you'll still have this piece exposed. The shiny part will still be there. Yeah. Okay, I got you. So it's just gonna be that piece that's gonna show right over the wheel arch. Let's go. All right, let me open it up. I've already unwrapped one of them. So what I did is they come in little sleeves like this, where they're wrapped up and protected. And I already got this one out. This one, I believe, goes back over here. I'm gonna kind of set it down by the wheel so you can see it from a distance. So it's kind of like that. You see how there's a piece that goes on the inside of the door? So it's gonna stop right here. When you open it up, that bottom piece is gonna be inside the door, kind of like this. So it's gonna lay right here, right on top, just like that. See it from a distance here. Right through here. Getting back on the ground. And when you close it, close the door, this will still be shiny all the way around. That'll just be on the inside protecting everything. And you'll be protected from here back where you're slinging mud and dirt. All right, let me put this one back, see if I can show you a front one. All right, so this was the driver's side rear. This is passenger side rear. This one's gonna be driver's side front. In a second, I'll put it over here so you can see it. So the driver's side front protector, see how they match up, just thicker. Let me unwrap it so you can see what it looks like. Hold on. All right, so we've got it all unwrapped. So you can see how this is gonna fit right up here. In a second, I'll try to hold it up here. So see, it's gonna be right there, all the way around, protecting it to right here. And then you'll have the shiny black on the bottom for the X Dynamic. And you'll pick right up where the other protector is going to be. So you have to wait till it's all done to see it, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. We're going to wrap this back up, put it back in the box. All right, wanted to give you guys the little graphic here, so you can look at the instructions on how to fit these on there. And it's like it's in several languages, so there you go. We'll put it back in the box, get it all put on. We'll give you guys an update on how this car turns out. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful, getting to see those wheel arch protectors in the flesh. It's my first time dealing with them. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else you want to see on the Defenders or anything that I sell here at Jaguar Land Rover. And remember, you're on the lot with Stephen Hill. Please subscribe, share my videos. It really helps me.